This is the 1819 Pre-Algebra 8 Term 2 Assessment audio version. For this video, you will listen to each question, pause the video, write your answer on the paper in front of you, and then unpause the video to move to the next question. When you have finished the entire test, you will open up Power Test and put your answers from your paper into the computer. Take your time, mark each answer carefully. Question 1. Which best represents the square root of 256? A, 8 and 32, B, negative 18 and 18, C, negative 16 and 16, D, 4 and 64. Pause the video, mark your answer, unpause the video to go to the next question. Question 2. Click and drag each selected number to the correct box. Place the following numbers on the number line. Question 3. Emily put $2,500 in a mutual fund investment at the beginning of last year. She did not deposit or withdraw any money all year. If the fund earned 5% simple interest last year, how much interest did Emily earn? Question 4. Between which two consecutive numbers does the negative square root of 50 lie? A, negative 7 and negative 8, B, negative 5 and negative 6, C, negative 6 and negative 7, D, negative 4 and negative 5. Remember to pause after each question to mark your answer. Question 5. Which Venn diagram best represents the following sets of numbers? The square root of 81, 27, 4.6 repeating, the square root of 11. Question 6. Type your answer in the box. There were 350 apples on the tree in March. By September, there were 420 apples on the tree. What was the percentage of change of apples on the tree? Round your answer to the nearest tenth if necessary. Question 7. What is the value of P times the square root Q minus R when P equals 3, Q equals 17, and R equals 8? Question 8. Simplify the algebraic expression. Negative 9 times the quantity negative 8p plus 12 minus 6p. Question 9. What is true about the slope of the line graphed? A, the slope cannot be determined. B, the slope is 0. C, the slope is positive. D, the slope is negative. Question 10. Click on a box to choose a number. You must select all the correct numbers. Identify all numerical values that are part of the solution set for the following inequality. 4x minus 5 is greater than or equal to negative 80 plus 24x. Question 11. Suzanne is starting to babysit to earn extra money. She is charging $15 for each hour that she babysits. What represents the independent variable in this situation? A. The number of children she babysits. B. The number of hours she babysits. C. The total amount charged for babysitting. D. The rate she is paid per hour. Question 12. Using the diagram below, what is the value of x? Question 13. Which set of ordered pairs is a function? Remember to pause the video and mark your answer on your paper. Question 14. Click on a box to choose a correct example. You must select all correct examples. Relations are shown in the graphs below. Select 3 relations that are also functions. Question 15. Which graph represents the linear equation y equals x minus 2? Question 16. The graph represents the same relationship as which table of ordered pairs? Question 17. What value of y makes the equation true? 3 times the quantity 2y plus 3 equals 9y minus 15. Question 18. Click on a box to select a graph. You must select all the correct graphs. Select all of the graphs with a negative slope. Question 19. The total cost, T, for frozen yogurt depends on the weight, W, in ounces. If Freddy's frozen yogurt shop uses the equation T equals 0.34 W plus 2 to determine the cost of yogurt, which represents the dependent variable in this situation? Question 20. Which is an equation for a line with a slope of negative 4 and a y-intercept of 5? Question 21. Which number line shows the correct solution to negative 4y minus 8 is greater than or equal to negative 20? Question 22. Click on each value you want to select. You must select all correct values. Look at the relation. What values represent the range of this relation? Question 23. Which of the following graphs represent the same relationship as y is 4 more than x? Question 24. Marissa used the set of ordered pairs below to graph a relation. What is the domain of the relation? Question 25. Which equation represents the same linear function in the table below? Question 26. Click on a box to choose each statement you want to select. You must select all correct examples. Choose two true statements about the slope and y-intercept of the linear function shown. The slope is 2 over 3. The slope is 3 over 2. The slope is negative 2 over 3. The slope is negative 3 over 2. The y-intercept is 2. The y-intercept is 3. The y-intercept is negative 2. The y-intercept is negative 3. Question 27. The cost C of monogramming a shirt includes a fixed charge of $12 and a charge of 60 cents for each monogrammed letter. Which function can be used to determine the cost of monogramming a shirt with N letters? Question 28. Which equation represents the graph below? Question 29. Which of the following does not represent a function? Question 30. Identify the range for the relation. This is the end of the audio version of the 1819 Pre-Algebra 8 Term 2 assessment. If you did not get any questions, if you need to hear it again, please rewind, go back, and listen to any question in particular that you need. When you have finished, please log into PowerTest and input your answers from the paper into the computer.